everyone, this is May. So, luto tayo guys ng ating breakfast. Good morning everyone. So, our koi fish. Koi fish. Yes, this is from Lunar New Year. It's a glutinous rice cake guys. So, pwede ito siyang steam, pwede rin siyang i-fry. So, iyan ang ating fish. Glutinous rice cake guys. So, kinain na namin kagabi yung buntot. Buntot yung tail niya guys. And this time, yung ulo na naman ang ating kakainin sa umaga. Anyway, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And if you do like any of my videos, please do share it to your any social media platform or to your YouTube community. So, pwede ito siyang steam guys. Pero, mas maganda kapag ano siya, pag fry. Okay, medyo soft na siya guys. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng itlog bago i-fry. But since ayaw ko ng itlog, kaya ganito lang siya guys. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay fit, eat healthy, and live well. Okay, look. Kapag nag-soften na siya, okay na yan siya. Itong pinakauna kong nilagay is medyo okay na. So, i-cover natin para madali mag-soft. So, ito na siya guys. Okay na siya. Yes, super okay na. Ito, okay na siya. Look, ganyan siya guys. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Always keep fit and live well. And see you soon.